Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
As the sun dipped below the horizon, the Novo Sunrisers and Capital Edge Cricket Club took to the field, the air crackling with tension and excitement for this Millennium Cricket League showdown.
The stage was set, the players ready, a clash that promised a tale of conquest and heartbreak. The crowd buzzed, eager for the spectacle of cricketing strategy and skill to unfold.
A heartfelt shout out to our event advertisers whose support spun the yarn of today's epic encounter, ensuring the stage was perfectly set for this dramatic cricketing narrative.
With DifGen Pharmaceuticals, we saw a partnership as formidable as the best opening duos. New Jersey rehab experts, boasting a victory tally mirroring a batsman's dream score. And Faith Home Healthcare, delivering care as precise and heartwarming as a cricketer's classic cover drive.
Novo Sunrisers' innings was a rollercoaster, with Wrexham's explosive not-out and Kanchura's power hitting commanding the spotlight. But Capital Edge was not far behind, a fiery chase punctuated by Persaud's blitz and Patel's spirited fight, threading the match with suspense until the very last over.
Indeed, it was a contest where every run scored and each wicket taken tipped the scales. Novo set a formidable target, but Capital Edge's response was laden with guts and glory. The match swung like a pendulum, with the extras contributing to the drama, only to be clinched in the dying moments by the Sunrisers.
Wrexham's rampage, complemented by Kanchura's dominance, etched a saga of strength for Novo, with a century partnership that became the backbone of their formidable first innings total.
The Sunrisers crafted their innings like a grandmaster strategizes a chess game, mixing caution with aggression. Yet, Capital Edge bowlers, with Patel and Parekh leading, kept clawing back, their wickets keeping the suspense alive.
Capital Edge began their chase with a roar, Persaud and Sukhadia stitching a partnership that set the tempo. However, as wickets tumbled, the tail of their innings took a twist.
Novo's bowlers, led by Wrexham's lethal spell, turned the script on its head, striking at crucial junctures, and despite Edge's valiance, they fell tantalizingly short in a true thriller.
Wrexham, a colossus with bat and ball, and Kanchura, with his power-packed innings, emerged as Novo's gladiators. Persaud's flamboyance was the highlight for Capital Edge.
Wrexham's all-round mastery anchored Novo's triumph, while Kanchura's bat thundered. Persaud's blitzkrieg ignited Capital's chase, imprinting their indomitable spirit on the duel.
Novo Sunrisers emerged victorious by a slender margin of 7 runs, their win woven by standout performances and strategic bowling that proved decisive in the final act.
It is a triumph that will be savoured, a narrow yet thrilling victory for the Sunrisers. A tantalizing close shave that left the Edge with both pride and lessons. In the theatre of cricket, today's narrative was a gripping one, filled with the ebbs and flows of a classic drama, wit as quick as a flipper, and memories as lasting as a test match 5-4.
As the dusk settles on this cricketing saga, we look forward to chapters anew, with performances like Wrexham's etching themselves into the annals of the Millennium Cricket League's rich tapestry.